Vacuum and mop 2-in-1. Yes, save your time and effort with Roidmi NEX Storm cordless vacuum cleaner. Lightweight and ultra portable. Yes, my 7-year-old boy can do the cleaning as well. Super powerful suction that on par with Dyson V10, but much cheaper in price. Sounds great? Let's dive into details. First of all, do check out my unboxing video to know more about NEX hardware and accessory. For F8 owners, NEX accessories are compatible with F8. Yes, you can use them on F8 including the new floor brush with mopping extension. Does Roidmi NEX as powerful as Dyson V10? Yes, the water bottle is totally out of shape. Much better than budget vacuum, and performing very well on daily cleaning tasks. It sucks all the dust, long leaf, and mung beans easily. Working great on carpet too, all thanks to the useful and performing motorized brush that's suitable for both hard floor and carpet. Just attach the magnetic mopping extension and start your cleaning. NEX is able to handle some liquid as you can see. Just follow one rule will do. Vacuum first, mop then. Yes, it is working well on the sticky one too. Everything is clean after a few trips. Most of the dirty stuff is handled by the mopping cloth as you can see. NEX battery life is great as I can clean my whole double-story semi-D with 100 square meters easily. More than an hour on normal mode with 60 watt power, 35 minutes on high power, and max at 11 minutes. Charging is fast. It takes around 2 hours and 10 minutes to fully charge. The new wireless magnetic wall mount makes charging as easy as ABC. By the way, Roidmi NEX has removable battery design. Just remove 3 screws, then take it out. However, there is no device to charge the battery directly. Hopefully, Roidmi will come up one for those needed. Who doesn't love extra power juice? Powerful and effective suction with an acceptable noise level. Yes, normal mode at 62 dBA only. High power at 71 dBA. Finally, max mode at 74 dBA. Much quieter than Dyson V10 for sure, thanks to Roidmi Air X filtration system. Enjoy cleaner air with double HEPA filters. Yes, there is one before the motor, another one after. 6 layers of filtration system in total. Able to capture 99% of dirt as small as 0.3 microns. In addition, you can't vacuum if you forgot to install the pre-motor HEPA filter. Yes, it will protect the motor and you too. There is an mobile app for Roidmi NEX as well. Both iOS and Android are supported. Change the standard gear power from 60 watt to 80 watt or 100 watt. Check information like battery, filter, user manual, and so on. Upgrade firmware as well. Roidmi NEX is also a handheld dust mite vacuum. Works great on the mattress as well as fabric sofa. Of course, other stuff like pillow too. In short, NEX does a great job, no doubt, all thanks to flexible nylon brush and rubber strap for slapping and sweeping, and powerful suction too. Cordless without worry about the length of the wire. Just focus on the cleaning task. Fast and easy for sure, and plenty of accessories help to make the task even easier. Don't forget about the useful LED lights too. It will automatically illuminate the dark corners for you when needed. The 0.4 liter dustbin is good enough for daily cleaning. Single click to remove it, take out the cyclone mechanism, remove the dust stand. Clean the filters when needed. Yes, you can wash them with water too. Just make sure to dry them out before installing back. Enjoy powerful suction, mopping ability, longer battery life, and a lot of useful tools. Yup, Roidmi NEX makes cleaning more efficient and easier. Do get yours with the link below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to thumb up too. Peace.